Yo guys, welcome back. I am in my car and yeah, it is currently Tuesday today and yeah, it's 12:18 p.m. So yeah, it's just noon, early afternoon. And yeah, I'll show you guys outside. This is the weather outside. Yeah, today is kind of cloudy. Or not kind of cloudy, it's fully cloudy. So yeah, there's no sunlight at all today. Who knows? It might snow today, but I'm not entirely sure. I think Thursday is also supposed to snow. But yeah, it's been just cloudy all day. I love this weather, honestly. This is much better than sunny weather, in my opinion. I'm not a fan of the sun. If it's like once in a while, then it's fine. But I don't know. But yeah, guys, well, I'm probably not gonna go home right now. I'm probably gonna first go to the car wash. I have to wash my car. And yeah. I mean, if there's another order that happens to be along the way, that's a good one. I'll accept it probably. But other than that, I have to also go to the gas station, car wash. Yeah, I have to go to the car wash because my car is really dirty and my parents keep bothering me to wash my car. They're like, oh, if you don't wash your car, the police can pull you over because your license plate will be dirty. But my license plate is not dirty. I can perfectly see it. But I'll still do it. I'll go to the car wash. But yeah. I just delivered pizza to my customer. I went to Pizza 73. This one guy picked it up. Although it said leave at door, but he just immediately went outside. I guess he saw on the map that I arrived. And he just went outside and I met up with him. I gave him his pizza and he got like poutine. Yeah, my car smells really good now. It smells like pizza. But yeah, because I put it in like the thermal bag and yeah, the smell was really strong. But I would like to see also if by chance I have maybe money in cash so I can pay for my car wash. If not, I can just pay with my debit card. But I don't know, we'll have to take a look. I mean, I have a couple of quarters, but we'll see. Because I don't even know if it accepts quarters. It might only accept loonies or toonies. I don't know. I have like $1 in cash. This is $1.50. $1.75. Ah, fuck it. I'm probably just gonna pay in with my debit card. But yeah. But yeah, guys, I'm in Silverado. That's where I delivered pizza. But yeah, just gonna turn the car around and then yeah, I'll head to the gas station. Fuck, why do I keep saying gas station? Car wash. I'm so used to saying gas station because that's usually where, that's usually where I go. But yeah, I keep saying gas station by accident. But yeah, car wash. You guys have seen me go to that car wash before, but I have to go there again. I swear, every, Amazon driver I see, just like right now, it's always an Indian. It's always an Indian driving. Holy shit. Not trying to be disrespectful or racist, but, what the fuck? Every Amazon delivery driver I see is Indian. I swear to God, every single Amazon driver I see is Indian. Holy shit. There's the French immersion school. Yeah, that's the school that's all French. They speak French at the school and they teach French. Yeah, I've been inside that school before. I went there to deliver food one time, actually. So I've been to that French school. Yeah, I'm learning French on Duolingo, but it's such a difficult language to learn. I only can speak like some basic French, you know. But yeah, like bonjour, comment ça va? Ça va bien? Et toi? I don't know, I can speak like a little bit of French. Au revoir, à bientôt, or I don't even know if my pronunciation is fine. Or au revoir, à demain, quel âge as-tu? J'ai 21. Well, I'm not actually 20, but you know, I just said like, how old are you? And I'm 20 years old, but I'm not 20. I'm just giving a demonstration. But yeah, French is a really hard language to learn. But yeah, I don't know. It's just so hard to learn French. I'll try to say something else in French. Je mange un croissant. That means I'm eating a croissant. But yeah. And to say car in French, it would be like voiture. But yeah, I don't know. I need to keep practicing. I can kind of understand French because I'm like learning it. So there's some words, some sentences I can understand, but it's still a hard language to learn, you know. But yeah. But yeah, guys, I'm just gonna head to the car wash, and I'm kind of like getting closer, but this is just like the main road here that'll take me right to the car wash. I just hope there's not gonna be much people there. I don't know when it's busiest, honestly, but I don't know. But yeah, you guys have seen me go to that car wash before. It's just like a car wash where you wash the car yourself. But I don't know. I want to maybe go to that car wash one time where, you know, it just washes the car for you. At like my local 7-Eleven gas station. But yeah, not all Circle K's have a car wash, actually. My local Circle K, they don't even have it there. But the 7-Eleven, they do have a car wash. And then you get like points or whatever. But yeah, I don't know, guys, it's so fucking weird that, like, China, for some reason, you know, they started COVID, right, in 2020 in Wuhan, and not only that, China also, like, pretty much Xi Jinping, or whatever his name is, I don't know how to really pronounce his name, Xi Jinping, but I don't know, but he's like supportive of Vladimir Putin. You know, the person who literally attacked Ukraine. And yet, China gets to fucking have the Winter Olympics. Like, what the fuck? They have like the Winter Olympics. Or not have, they had it in Beijing, you know, the 2022 Winter Olympics. Like, China doesn't fucking deserve any Olympics. You guys started COVID for one because you were eating bats, and then your fucking stupid Chinese, I don't even know if he's a president or whatever. I don't know who he's called in China, but whatever. But he fucking, you know, supported Putin. But I don't know, I guess the Olympic Games, they're just like, we'll just, you know, China can have the Olympic Games in their country because it's not gonna be anything about politics. You know, like, what the fuck? I mean, I guess I like a few things about China. Like, I have nothing against the Chinese people. Some Chinese food is okay. China has a lot of beautiful places, but other than that, their government is so fucked up in China. And fuck China for, like, you know, using those stupid spy balloons or whatever, and then trying to spy on America. I'm glad those balloons got shot or whatever. Fuck off, China. Yeah, fuck China. Like, I only like a few things about China, but yeah. I love South Korea. I absolutely love South Korea. I'm okay with Japan too. I like Japan. Fuck North Korea and China though. Just because of their fucking government. But yeah, guys, I arrived, so I'm gonna go to the car wash. I just really hope there's not gonna be much people. Hopefully not. Yeah, there's the dentist office where I delivered Uber Eats one time. I don't know how long ago that was, like maybe like almost 4 weeks ago, or maybe a whole month ago now. I don't even know. Ah, fuck. Wait, what the fuck? Hold on a sec. What the fuck? Hold on a sec. Yeah, this is fucking weird. Yeah, like, what the fuck? So how come, like, I can just go here? I mean, I know there's a car being washed right now. But then why? How come to my left, there's like a shit ton of cars in one line? Am I, like, not allowed to go in this area? Hold on. These bays are for cars and trucks only. Yeah, I can go here. Yeah, this place is kind of confusing. I don't even know. place is fucking weird. Okay. This lady just... You saw that lady, right? She just told me to go here. Okay. Perfect. Awesome. All right. I'm just gonna, yeah, hold on. Set up my car right here. Yeah, and then I'll just wash it. Okay. I guess I'll have to end the video, guys, just because I have to pay with my debit card and, you know, it's gonna, like, probably the phone will turn off. I don't know. Unless if there's a way to insert the card. No, it just says tap. Okay, whatever. But yeah, bye guys.